Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair and makeup related videos. So if that is something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. Alright y'all, we got another Friday and another budget friendly Friday, y'all. Cause it's budget friendly Friday. I said budget friendly Friday. Alright y'all, so today I will be reviewing another synthetic unit from Outre. And it's going to be from the Daily Wig collection. And today's wig is in the style Cecilia. And I have her in the color DR30. So the Daily Wig collection is for the everyday woman. Those that are always on the go. They don't really have time to cut off any lace or pluck parts, or it's very beginner friendly. So this line is specifically catered to those beginners or those that just don't have a lot of time to fool with, you know, wigs and all that it may entail. So let's just go ahead and get into the video.
All right, y'all, so this is the hair shade out of the package. And as you can see, it is a lace part wig, which means there is no lace to cut off in the front. This parting space is a little tight, but we're gonna work with it. It does have the two combs in the front, one in the back with the adjustable straps. And now let's get her on and styled. So because this parting space was so tight, I'm just gonna pull a few strands at the start of this parting space just to open it up a little bit more than it was, because it is pretty tight. And I'm just gonna add my foundation powder to that parting space as I normally would. So I wanted to let you see how it looks as a side part, which is very cute. As you all know, I am a right side chick, and I actually love this look, but it's a little uneven. So I would have to like keep that back side back behind my ear and leave the front forward so that it's not so noticeable. And if I wore it like that, I would probably go ahead and just pull out some of my own baby hairs. But as y'all know, I'm not a fan of the middle part, so I normally like to tuck hair behind my ears anyway to keep the hair from attacking my eyelashes. I also noticed a slight line of demarcation here in the parting space, so I'm just taking my scissors and cutting a very small little V to open that up a little bit and camouflage that line.
Alright y'all, so this is my final look, and like I said in the beginning, this is such an easy breezy throw and go on a budget. Alright, so let's talk about some of the pros. I already mentioned the convenience and ease of this unit. Another pro is the quality. Like, I feel like this hair is so beautiful, y'all. Like, look, no tangles. I'm not getting stuck. This is some really nice quality hair. Now, it is on the silkier side. It's not like baby doll silky. It's like a light silky, but, and actually a little bit of a light yaki, to be honest. Very, very, very nice texture, yo. I can just rub my fingers through this like all day. That's how good it feels. It just feels so good. Another pro for me is that I actually love this color. I think it's very pretty and complimentary. Another pro is the density. Now that actually could be a pro or con for some people, but it has some really good thick density. Like really good thick hair. This is not like you won't be able to see anything through here. This is some really good density. It has to be at least 150, maybe 180% density. Really good density. I love that. And the fact that you can still run your fingers through it and glide is wonderful. This is definitely an everyday kind of wig. I mean, this could be your work wig. This could be your run into the store wig. It's very versatile. You could really wear this wig every day. Hence the name, the Daily Wig. Alright, so now let's switch over to a couple cons. And one con, I guess it's really not a con because of all that you get with this unit. The fact that it's so convenient. You don't really need like a perfect hairline, which you don't get with any of the Daily Wig collection. So like, you're gonna get this good blunt hairline like this. However, it's covered, so it's not a big deal. So there's no, you know, trying to pull it back or anything like that because of this hairline. Another small con is that there is some light shedding. But again, it's a synthetic unit and it's like budget friendly, so you get what you pay for. Now this cap size, I don't want to speak on it and say that it's all head friendly. I did adjust my straps from the jump. I normally don't, but for some reason I was like, let me just adjust these because I need this to be laying as tight and as flat as possible. That's kind of where oh, my part looks a little crooked. Alright, so let's talk about the price, and she is being reviewed on Budget Friendly Friday. This unit, the price ranges anywhere from about $15 to $25. So, you know, you just kind of got to do your Google search, put her in there and see what options you have. I'll link down below where I got mine and actually paid like 14 something. But it may or may not still be available there. But if it is, I'll include it down below. So that's really all that I have for this unit, y'all. Like, we love these quick and easy, breezy units that you just throw on and go. So let me know what you all think about this unit down in the comments below. You know I love chatting with you about these units. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.